it's always fun to work with animals.
They are some of the smallest primates.
They love anyone with treats.
These marmosets love Adam Smith.
You don't get to always work with monkeys your whole life.
And Adam Smith,
They're really cute looking, so.
well, he loves them too.
Their social system is set up a lot like humans, where there's one male, one female that breed together, and then they have offspring and descendants that live together.
Smith is a psychobiology graduate student at the University of Nebraska at Omaha. He is researching oxytocin, a hormone better known as the love drug.
What oxytocin in the brain allows us to measure is looking at oxytocin levels and how it associates with social behavior and consequently relationship quality.
Smith is looking for those behaviors in Brazilian squirrel-sized monkeys like these.
What we have here is Coco right in front. Then we have Raymond. We have Quackers over there, and the mother is Sweetums.
During the research, the monkeys do not get injections, have blood drawn, or undergo evasive procedures. Instead,
we do urine collection because you can get circulating levels of hormones using enzyme immunoassays from urine.
Those levels then provide information in the monkey's breeding and social behaviors.
We're working in a general area called social neuroscience, which is basically looking at the brain structures that underlie social behavior. It's a rapidly growing field of science. And essentially what we're trying to do is to identify those neurochemicals, hormones or neurochemicals, that cause an animal to be highly social or not very social, or to form a strong pair bond or not to form a strong pair bond, etc.
Dr. Jeffrey French is the research supervisor and says this information could lead to better understanding relationships in humans.
It's a really interesting field of research because there's been quite a bit of work, especially from the vast history of our own lab, that have come out and looking at different biological and social mechanisms that explain relationships, and this is just kind of adding to that and looking at it with a new lens, looking at neurobiological mechanisms, and so the focus hasn't shifted from the overall goal of understanding social relationships, but it has really gone into mechanisms that drive this relationship and looking at it within the context of hormones and brain function.
The National Science Foundation awarded Smith for his study with a 3-year graduate research fellowship.
This award allows me to do is to extend my research not only into the academic field, but it allows me to open up perspective into the community, and it really facilitates the idea of shared knowledge, not only within the scientific community, but to the general public as well.
Smith was the only Nebraskan chosen for the prestigious award. For the Omaha World-Herald, Peter Sobey. And to learn more about Adam Smith, pick up your edition of the Omaha World-Herald or visit omaha.com.